babies. Oh, we're playing the babies. That's Harper. Harper and Harriet. That's Harper. Zed, be nice. Hi, Harper. Harriet. I don't know what just happened. Something with big does. All following everybody around. Let's see what's going on. Oh, that's Zora. She's still pregnant. Zora is still pregnant. She doesn't know what to do. She's not showing signs yet. The babies. Bouncy babies. Hi. Stop it. Stop it.